Salam alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to Leo's Chronicles, where narratives roar to life. Hey, everyone. I hope you're doing great. Today, I've got some exciting news about the upcoming series on Sultan Mehmet Fatih. In this video, we'll talk about when they're starting to film, who's going to be in it, what characters they'll play, and when the show is hitting our screens. Make sure to stay with me until the end so you don't miss any of the details. Let's dive right into it. Now let's dive into the much-anticipated historical drama. Fatih is set to unfold on TRT1, courtesy of the talented team at Miray Yapım. Directed by Şafak Bal and scripted by seasoned writers Ozan Bodur, Enes Şengönül, Cihan Bozkay, and Fatih Güler. This series brings forth Serkan as the formidable Fatih Sultan Mehmet. With a stellar ensemble cast, including Tuba Ünsal, Fikret Kuşkan, Ayşegül Günay, and Sinan Albayrak, the show promises a captivating narrative. Emblazoned with the impactful slogan, "Where my power reaches, your dreams cannot reach." Fatih is set to enrich the tapestry of Turkish historical storytelling on the screens of TRT1. Ayşegül Günay will be portraying the character Helena, and Sinan Albayrak taking on the role of Zaganos Pasha. An intriguing aspect to highlight is the participation of Ozan Bodur and Enes Şengönül, the masterminds responsible for the storyline of Kuruluş Osman Season 1. These adept scriptwriters have also lent their talents to Kiziloma on Tabii, providing a distinctive take on Sultan Mehmet's early years. The direction of Şafak Bal, renowned for Teskilat-i Mahsusa Trablus, assures that the series is in capable artistic hands. The much-anticipated filming for Fatih is set to commence in January, possibly in the first week, giving the team 2 months for thorough preparation. This timeline hints at a potential late February or early March premiere, building excitement for what promises to be a captivating historical drama. As we eagerly await the unraveling of this historical drama, the prospect of witnessing how Fatih will unfold alongside other productions dedicated to the legendary Fatih Sultan Mehmet is truly fascinating. Stay tuned for a journey through history like never before. That's all for today, my viewers. I hope you're as excited as I am about the upcoming Fatih series. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates on Turkish historical dramas, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and enjoy the journey through history.
The most wonderful and the best of Amirs, and his army will be the most wonderful and the best of armies.
Still conquer the West, just as Alexander conquered the East.
Allah has sent me a vision. He has commanded me to take Constantinople. I have no choice but to obey his wish.
Our Lord, the merciful.
He who conquers Constantinople will have the world.
Sultan Mehmet will be the one ruler of the Romans.
We'll soon find out if the Emperor loves his city enough today.
Now go. I will see you again when you are strong and calm.